Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your laptop OS and the scanner model. This prevents driver conflicts later. Once done, pick a powered USB port or a USB-C adapter that supplies at least 5V and 900 mA because underpowered ports cause failures. Plug the scanner in, remove any protective film, and listen for device connect sounds. This indicates physical connection. Make sure to pause if Windows or Mac OS prompts for permissions, since authorizing access now avoids interruptions during the driver install. Next, you install the correct, signed driver from the manufacturer. This ensures kernel compatibility and security. Once the driver is installed, run the enrollment or management software and create an admin PIN. This ties biometric data to an account securely. During enrollment, follow calibration prompts. Press or swipe the same finger multiple times at different angles so the algorithm builds a robust template. Make sure to test scan consistency immediately. That confirms the driver and software are talking to the hardware properly. Finish by enabling biometric sign-in in your OS settings and add fingerprints under your user account. This links the template to login flows. Once enrolled, reboot and test lock/unlock and login screens to confirm integration. If scans fail, try another USB port, reinstall the sign driver, or update the scanner firmware. These steps resolve most communication problems. As a key troubleshooting tip, check Device Manager or System Information for errors. A yellow warning icon usually points you directly to the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.